Click-through rate, or CTR, is an analytics metric that simply tells you how good your thumbnail and title are performing. In this video, I'll show you what a good CTR percentage is and how to fix a low one. Step 1. Analyze your CTR. Open YouTube Studio. Go to Content. Select the video you want to analyze. Look at your CTR percentage. Below 2%, low. 2 to 6%, average. Above 6%, performing well. Keep in mind that CTR varies depending on content type and traffic source. Videos getting traffic from search usually have higher CTR. Videos pushed by the YouTube recommendation system often have lower CTR. Compare your CTR to these benchmarks and decide your next steps. Always aim for 4% plus. Step 2. Identify the problem if your CTR is low. A low CTR doesn't always mean your thumbnail or title is bad. The problem can come from multiple areas, like video metadata. Your title, description, tags, hashtags, and audio need to give the algorithm enough data to push your content to the right audience. Make sure all metadata is related to your video. Include keywords within your niche. Only use relevant tags, hashtags. Don't use keywords or hashtags in your metadata that don't match your content. If metadata is off, YouTube will push your video to the wrong audience, and it may get stuck at around 500 views. Trend video topic. Even if your metadata is perfect, the trend of your topic matters. YouTube favors trending content like, for example, recent news, new games, or viral events. Non-trending topics may get low reach, even with good thumbnails and metadata. Treat your video like a product and YouTube as a market. Offer content that people want and deliver it in your unique style. Thumbnail and title combo. If your video have a trending topic and your metadata is fine, it's time to optimize your thumbnail and title. I can't suggest an exact style without seeing your content, but generally, use curiosity-driven, clickbait tactics without being misleading. YouTube will process the CTR stats over the next few days, and if it improves, your video will get promoted again. I've tested this multiple times and it works. If your CTR is strong, but your video isn't getting impressions, check your retention graph. CTR works in combination with the first 10 to 30 seconds of your video. If your thumbnail and title don't match your intro, viewers click away. A good CTR plus low impressions usually means your retention drops after the first 30 seconds. Make sure your intro aligns with your thumbnail and title to keep viewers watching. That's it. Now you can try to optimize your current videos, and with this information, you can do better in your next. Analyze your CTR, optimize your metadata, use trending topics, and perfect your thumbnail title combo, and your video performance will improve dramatically. Thanks for watching.